Hello friends, welcome to our channel Data Science Lovers. This is our fourth video of the course Data Analysis with Python. In this video, we will cover the topic of tuples. What is a tuple in Python? A tuple is a collection of different data types like integers, floats, or strings. It is just like a list. Each element or value of the tuple is called an item. We can also say that a tuple is a sequence of different items. A tuple is created within this type of round brackets. Now, how a tuple is different from a list? There are two main differences, which are a list is created within the square brackets, while a tuple is created within round brackets. The second difference is the list item can be changed, while the tuple items cannot be changed once it is created. So how to create a tuple? This is the format of a tuple. It is showing that it can contain the integer, float or string values in the round brackets. So to create a tuple, we have to write our tuple name like a, and we can put the integer values. This is a tuple with all integer values. And if I show you, then this is a tuple with all float values. Similarly, we can create a tuple with all the string values also. So this is a tuple with all string values. We can also create a tuple with the combination of all these data types. Like first I write the integer items, then I write the float items, and I can also write the string items in it. So these are the format of a tuple. If I show you the type, then you can also check the type of this, like this type and the tuple name. If I want to see the type of B, then it is showing that this is a tuple. So this is how you can create a tuple. Next is what is the index in tuple. So if I have this tuple and the index of the tuple starts from the 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The index of the tuple starts from 0, just like it starts in the list. The 1 value is present at the 0th index, the 2 value is present at the first index, while the 3 value is present at the second index. If I want to see what is present at my 4th index, then I can use this function or this command, where I have write the tuple name and the index position in the square brackets. It is showing that at 4th index 6.788 is present. Let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 4th index 6.788 is present. If I want to see what is present at my 6th index, then it will show that Python is present at my 6th index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, the index of the tuple as well as a list starts from the 0. Now, what are the properties of a tuple? The first property is a tuple allows duplicate items or values in it. If I create a tuple name x, and if I write some duplicate values like this, then it is acceptable in a tuple. As you can see here, 3 is 2 times present, 2.3 is also 2 times present, and high is also 2 times present in the tuple. It means a tuple can be created with the duplicate values in it. The second property of the tuple is a tuple is immutable. Immutable means a tuple item cannot be changed after creating the tuple. So if I look at this tuple which I have created above, and if I want to see what is present at my second index, then it is showing that at second index to the 3 value is present. Now if I want to change this 3 with 4, I can use this function, but it will show an error because tuple doesn't support the change of the items once a tuple is created. So this is the main difference between a tuple and a list. The items of a list can be changed while the items of a tuple cannot be changed once it is created. Now what is indexing in tuple? If this is a tuple and if I want to see the index 0, then 1 is present at index 0, and if I want to see the 6, then the high is present at the 6th index. Now if I want to see all the items present between 0 and 6 index, then I can write like this. It will show the items between 0 and the 5th index. At the end I have write the 6 as the end index, but it will show one value lesser than the end index, means 5. As you can see, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is showing the value till 2.3, means till the 5th index. Similarly, if I write 0 to 7, then it will show value till the 6th index. As you can see, this is our 6th index high, and we can also write like this, then it will show all the items starting from 0th index till the last index. Here you can see all the items are present here. Now why we use tuple? Tuple is used if you have to create a sequence of constant items which not needs to be changed later in the program. This is the main benefit of the tuple. More advanced functions of the tuple will be covered in our another playlist of the course, which is Advanced Data Analysis with Python. So guys, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any video of this course.